Got Billy and Leo, we come around on the weekend, panel beaters and spray painters, just to give a hand to prep up the engine bay. Finished product has turned out fantastic. Thanks, boys.
Yeah, all the grease is gone.
So we've given the engine bay a really good degrease. All this oil and crap's come off it, so it's come up really nice, ready for the bulb and primer tomorrow. Because I've removed the power steering as well, gonna have to change this power steering rack just back to a manual one, which means none of the column or the current steering wheel is going to fit, so got to pull that out and just put the manual rack and the different column back in. So we have all the suspension out. It's all clean, nice, ready to go.
Did it last night, yeah? Time you leave. I'm done so I can do it. Like, what you do all day, every day, though, I guess.
In some countries,
what they do.
LSD is more common than here in Australia. It affects people from many backgrounds and is transmitted.
The Health Service has positions available, and Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people are encouraged.
You can only see like that. Your engine's that way, you can see the whole lot.
Decided to give the gearbox a bit of a paint up as well. Some stainless bolts and washers. Because this is a Corolla gearbox, it doesn't have the factory Starlet engine mounts which normally bolt on here, so I've pin punched these. Yeah, I go drill them out and tap them